Hi guys, I am doing a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done one of these in a while. So excited. They had all kinds of spring stuff. I got stuff to make things with, so check it out. They had a lot of these meshes and these ribbons, and each one of these spools has 3 yards in it, so we'll be able to get quite a bit of stuff off of those. But yeah, so let's get into the haul. I got a strawberry plant and a tomato plant, and we also got cucumbers and green beans for the garden this year, and they're all heirloom. Well, these are. I don't know if the other 2 kits are or not, but these specifically are, so very good with that. And we also got a hose nozzle for the water hose. Now into the fun stuff. I got 2 of these pots. It's not showing up very well, but it's kind of got like a coppery finish to it. Maybe, here we go. Pretty. And they also had one with like a silver finish to it. And then I got these little spikes to put in here. I'm going to be making topiaries for on either side of the front door. And in them, I'm going to put some of these egg spikes. I got 2 of each collar set, so there's 3 eggs on each spike. So we got the pink, the blue, the yellow, and the purple, if that's going to show up. I got 2 little stuffed bunnies because I don't know what exactly I'm doing with them, but I'm going to craft with them somehow. Or maybe give them for a kitty, to the kitty for the toys or something, I don't know, something. But they're super soft and fluffy, and I couldn't pass those up. I got 2 of these. I'm going to use them for the frame. They are the plastic, but I needed a new an Easter wreath for the front door, and I thought this would be absolutely adorable. So we're going to put those together, and I'll be having a video on that. I did get some of these pink tubes for the wreaths and stuff, so they only had pink, so I got that. Now, the meshes. I got purple because purple's my thing. I like my purple, but they also had these variegated, however pronounce it, these ones. They had 2 different types. They have the pink with the yellow blue set, and you can see on them they make really pretty wreaths if it'll focus. There we go. And then they also have the set that is purple, yellow, blue, pink. So I thought I got 4 of these, but apparently I picked up 1 extra of the blue. So I ended up with 3 of these sets, 4 of these, and 5 of these. But I'm okay with that. I got the multicolor pipe cleaners because we need those to make the wreaths with. I got all of these ribbons. Oh, they're going to be so pretty. I got these little foam blocks to put in the bottom of my pots for the topiaries that I'm going to make. And the topiaries are not going to be solid topiaries because I could not find foam balls. So I found foam wreaths, and I don't know if I'm going to do feathers because I couldn't find the feather boas that I wanted to do them with, which I thought would be absolutely adorable. But I'm going to see how much of the greenery I have from the Christmas wreaths that I make and see if I got enough left over to where I can do 2 of the topiaries. But at any rate, I got 1 of the green foam and then 1 of the rounded green foam, which is a little bit bigger. So that's going to be super cute. And then on top of them, they're going to be bunnies. On top of them, I got these. So I got 1 pink and 1 purple because, you know, not too matchy-matchy. And then to decorate them with, I got these little foam decorated Easter eggs. I got 2 different bags. I didn't want to get exactly the same colors, so I got the small ones because these are going to be somewhat small topiaries. And I can even use some of these on the wreath for the door too to kind of tie everything in together. But yeah, and to top it all off with, on the bottom base to give it a little bit more coloration, I could take this and kind of hot glue that around these and make them that way. There's a thought. Didn't think of till now, and I only got 1 bag of this. That's okay, they sell this every day. But anyway, I got the moss, And so yeah, we're going to have a couple crafting videos coming up very, very soon, but I wanted to show you guys what kind of spring type things, and they have all kinds of these wreathy things. They have eggs, they have just the bunny head, they have these little bunny men, I guess you could call them. I don't know. But they're super, super cute, and I will be taking those apart and working with them to make the wreaths with. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying your Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!